Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dance with Mrs. B, where you will get great quality and fun dance videos for the classroom. This holiday season coming up, I wanted to give you a simple, fun choreography that you can use at your next winter concert. This dance is to Jingle Bell Rocks, but you can use it to any song. So let's get into it.
Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing the bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air.
If you've enjoyed this Jingle Bell Rocks video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Comment down below if you plan on using this in your winter concert, and I will see you in my next video.